Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for jaw pain. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall in Adha Padmasana. Now, I want you to insert one palm underneath your hips, like this. And then use other hand, wrap around your head, and gently tilt your neck to the side so that you may feel stretch around your neck. So one hand underneath your hips, the other hand wrap around your head and tilt your neck to the side to stretch the side of your neck. Now, next exhale, release this pose. Okay, let's do the other side. Insert your palm underneath your hip and use your other hand to wrap around your head and inhale, exhale, tilt your neck to the opposite side. Breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Try to feel the stretch on the side of your neck. By keeping your hands underneath your hip, really maximize the stretch. And next exhale, release back to center. And now, keep your hands somehow comfortable, maybe around your knees, and turn your head to the side. And try to do maximum length, range of motion. About 5 times each side. Each time, try to expand the range of neck motion. And back to center. Okay, now switch your legs. Okay, now gaze up and down. Look up and tuck your chin down. Up and down. Again, 5 times each side, so total of about 10. And now relax. Okay, let's use 3 fingers to massage around temple. So circle one side, maybe counterclockwise 5 times and clockwise 5 times slowly. And nice and easy. And now reverse. And release. Okay, now use again 3 fingers to press about temporomandibular joint right underneath here, and you're gonna press gently toward the center and up. Toward the center, press forward, inward, and up. So, gentle, smooth motion without too much of strength. Nice and easy. And pressing very gently, press about the joint. Press forward and up. And gently between 15 to 20. And now release. Now from here, so you're gonna walk isometric tension. So you're gonna walk on like a opposition of direction. So let's use two finger. I'm about pressing around my chin here, and then my finger wanna bring my chin down like this, but my chin I try to bring my chin up. So we're gonna walk on opposition of direction. So, okay, my finger want to bring my chin down, and I try to use my jaw muscle to bring my chin up. Again, movement is very subtle. Like this. I'm gonna show you from profile, okay? Maybe it's okay. Again, not too much force, very subtle and gentle. Okay, use my finger to bring my chin down. I try to walk against this motion, like this. Hold it between 5 to 8 breaths. And relax. Really tiny muscle around the jaw area walking. So, okay, now, okay, we're gonna do opposite direction. Okay, now I use your thumb underneath. I want to bring my by using my thumb, I want to bring my chin up, right? Chin up. But I gonna walk against this action. So my thumb wanna bring my chin up this way, right? But I'm using the jaw muscle to bring my chin down like this. Again, looks a bit similar to what you saw before, but the way using my jaw muscle is totally different, opposite. My finger wanna bring my chin up. I try to press my chin down against my thumb. Work on isometric tension. Again, between 5 to 8 breaths. Yeah, try to keep space between your lips a little bit. Like a 1 inch width. And now relax. Okay, now another working on isometric tension is this time sideways. Okay, use two fingers to I wanna move by using my finger. I wanna move my jaw this direction, and I try to walk against this action. So I'm pressing my finger this way, my jaw pressing it back. Okay? Again, I'm using the muscle around here, very defined, subtle movement. Again, don't do it too much. Doesn't have to be big motion. Again, between 5 to 8 breaths hold. And try to keep crown reaching in good posture while you are doing this exercise. And if you notice any tension around your chest and shoulder, neck, try to release and relax. Let's do the other side. Again, my finger wanna push this way, my jaw pressing it back. And you may notice a little tension creeping it up here, shoulders, chest. It's not necessary. Use your exhale to try to release. And 5 to 8 breaths. And relax. This sequence is designed to alleviate your jaw pain. You can do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!